Ready to showcase your brand globally? Discover how to expand your brand store across multiple countries with the Multi-Country Expansion tool. This tool helps streamline brand store creation across countries, allowing you to copy and translate your content in just a few clicks. Step 1. Select target countries. Access the brand content in your Amazon Ads console and select your brand store. Select the brand store you want to expand. Click on Manage Countries in the Multi-Country Expansion section. Choose your focus countries from the available options. Step 2. Copy and translate. The Multi-Country Expansion tool can help replicate your entire store layout and translate content into local languages while maintaining compliance with Amazon's language requirements. Your products, available in the new country, will automatically appear in your new brand store. Step 3. Review and customize. Review translations and customize creative content if you like before publishing to help ensure brand consistency. Did you know shoppers who visit a brand store purchase 53.9% more frequently and have a 71.3% higher average order value? Remember, this tool streamlines what was once a time-intensive process, helping you establish a global brand presence faster and more efficiently than ever before. Ready to expand your global reach? Access the Multi-Country Expansion tool in your brand store builder today